Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel, new IB all designing developer. Like in the previous videos, we have covered up many of the things using Python in artificial intelligence, and I hope you enjoy that all stuff. So today in this video, I will be covering up the project. Means not the Python artificial intelligence project. Today we'll be working on DSA because in the previous videos we have covered up the Python artificial intelligence project. So today in DSA video, I will be telling you that how you can use data types in Python and how you can work with data types here. So I hope you'll be understanding this video as well of data types in Python. So if you understand this video here in DSA using Python of data types, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on the channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can build these amazing things using Python and many different languages. So I hope this video will be really interesting and very learnable for you. So now we'll be starting with our video and start when we'll be seeing that how we will be using this project and how we will be building this amazing you can say this amazing project of Python and how we'll be using data types in this DSA video of Python from start. So just like I'm telling you that today in this video I will be telling you about DSA in Python, and today we'll be learning about what are data types in Python using DSA. So now we'll be starting with our video and learning about DSA in Python, and we will be today learning about, like I've telling you, data types. So here I will be closing these all files which we are getting. Now I will be opening my random file which I was just using when we were working with Python. Our file name was main.py, which was our main file. So I will be moving here. You can see this is my main file here. Okay, so this is the Java file, I think. Main.py our file name was. So I will be searching that file here. So I think we should be getting, this is the file here, main.py1. So I will be opening this file here. After opening this file, I will be moving on to terminal, because you all know that when we were using Python in DSA, so we were using terminal as our output source. So I will be now just doing one thing. I will be dragging, dropping. This means I will be dragging this input bigger, so I can just get some spacing from here. Now I will be writing here Python, so I can just write here the Python codes. You can see I've written Python and we are just now in the Python. So now you can just start writing here Python code. So today we are learning about data types. First of all, we have to just understand what is the meaning of data type. Data type means like when you're getting many of the data elements, so how to arrange the data elements. And it is also the, you can say it is also a combination of variable and data types. Means data types has two words. One is its data types, means arranging the element, and the second one is with the combination of variables, means you can just use data types with the combination of variables, and the second one is you can use it with the help of the data elements. First of all, we'll be understanding what are data elements and how we can use data elements in the data type. So basically data elements are, if I write any element here, and in this element I will be writing the list of my elements. So the list should be 1, and then I will be like this writing here 2. So these are the data type list which I am writing. You can write any of the number in your data type list which you want to define here, till 5 or till 6, means you can write many of the numbers are here, but you can write any one of these numbers which you want to write. Then if I press enter, you can see nothing is coming because we are just not defining this element with in our tag. So I will be directly writing here print, and I will be writing element. When I will be pressing enter, you will be seeing that my data element list has been coming here. Means I've written 1 till 5, so it is showing me the data type list 1 till 5. So like this you can use these all data types. So now we are getting the data type list 1 till 5. Now if you want to use data types normally, so how you can use it? So for using this data types elements here, you can use it with variables. Variables you can use, like if I write varz, means this is the variable, and I've written the short form of variable, and after that short form I've written the alphabet which we want to define when we are using variable. Now if I write in this variable hello world, and you can see now it is giving me error because I've just written after this the letter which we don't write in Python when we are using in DSA. So we will be not using this here. If I write variable and then if I write like it is equals to, then if I write this is good, it will be again showing me error. I think you can see now it is showing me error. So you can directly use variable, like if I want to use, press enter. Now you can see when I've written this variable, nothing is showing, means it is not having any error. You can directly define var and then press enter. You can see it is showing me through variable, it is showing me hello written here. So like this you can just use variable. So when you're using JavaScript as your, means when you're using variables in JavaScript, so you cannot define the variable directly tag in your console.log or in your document.write tag. But when you're using variables in Python, so you can just directly write the variable is short form, and then you can just write the any of the text which you want to define in your variable, and you can then write the print tag to define your variable. And then when you will be writing this, so you will be getting your output which you have written in your variable tag. So like this, you can just use simply variable in Python. So there are many other ways which you can use variables, but this was the easiest way which I've telling you how you can use variables. So this was the way which I want to tell you about variables. So one other way was I've telling you about data elements. You can use it with data elements or with the variables. Now you can also use it with the let tag that also come in variable, but this you can say that it is the second form of variable. So if I write here let var is equals to, then if I write this is good, or you can say hello world and this colon enter. You can see again it is showing me error because I've just written after let this variable. So when you are working with Python, so we don't have to define anything after the first letter which we are writing. So if I write let directly, now if I write hello world like this, now it will be not showing me any error. You can see now directly I can print my let tag here, so it will be showing me my output hello world which I have written in my let tag. You can see it is showing me my output. So like this you can just use data types in Python in DSA. So you can see when I'm writing anything with the first tag which I'm defining with the output, so it is giving me error. But when I'm writing nothing and when I'm directly writing my first tag, so it is not showing me any error, means that it is working. So like this, just you can use these variables, and I hope you understand how you can use variables in Python using DSA. So if you have understand this video of data types and variables, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn, they can understand how we can use data types with variables in our project when we are using Python in DSA or when we are using any other thing. So if you have understand, remember to hit a like, subscribe, share this video as well, so more people can learn and they can understand how we can use these projects in our big project, because these small things can use with the big project. So you can just build these all amazing things here which we are getting in Python, like AI applications, then AI weather applications, then weather forecasting applications and other things. So just I'll be meeting you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.